My name is Scott Monson. I am part of the Cloud Foundry Foundation, which is a collaborative project within the Linux Foundation. So we're an open source, non-for-profit organization, and we govern a project called Cloud Foundry that is the industry-leading platform as a service environment for helping companies deploy cloud-native applications at scale. We, as a foundation, have many members that have a large investment in and a large market for IoT. So as part of this is to support those efforts, to learn more about what's happening in the industry. We're really focused on making our user companies, members that are users of technology, more effective. And by being here and hearing what's going on and seeing what's changing, it enables us to better manage those interactions with members to build a better ecosystem. To me, the Internet of Things is a super exciting space. I think it's been around for a long time, but I think we're starting to hit that inflection point. I think with where we're headed today, with the cost reduction in all the hardware, all the compute and storage, and ubiquity of bandwidth coming out, that it's going to be, everything's going to be connected. All things will be eventually connected to the internet, because that's where we're headed. I'm hoping that the Internet of Things, obviously there's a huge economic benefit for corporations, but I think the Internet of Things over time can make a big change in healthcare, in food, in different areas that really will make a difference not only economically, but in the lives of people, making life easier, making life better. I guess it depends how you look at it. Is it like economics or is it value to life? I think we'll see over time, but again, I go back, I think really making a difference in how people's lives can be bettered through healthcare, through food programs. I think that those are things that we need, and we have a lot of challenges in those areas today across the world, so I think hopefully it'll make a big difference. There are many challenges. It's still early, right? So there's going to be a lot of disruption, I think. But I think a lot of it is the amount of data is so substantial that's being moved around. And as data gets heavier, meaning like video, et cetera, I think it's very hard to manage all of that data. It's very hard to secure all that data. I think those are going to be some big challenges that need to still be resolved as we move forward. I was excited to see that it's actually kicked off. I think it's going to be interesting to see how it grows. I'm looking forward to engaging with some of our member companies more closely tonight at the dinner. And also, again, learning about some of the new technologies and players in the marketplace so we can understand better. I love technology, and I think, again, it's interesting to be in a place where you can have a bunch of industry leaders talk about what they're doing. It's a very collaborative environment, so it feels a little bit like an open source community almost sometimes. So I think it's very interesting to hear from others what they're seeing, and it just gives you a better perspective of what we need to do.